We just finished up a driveway in Springfield, Virginia. Let's take a closer look. The driveway's still setting up. It was just poured about 4 days ago, so you'll see the little bit of kind of a leopard print. That color will all blend in later on and turn to a nice stark white color when it's all finished. Control joints are cut throughout, approximately every 10 feet, since the slab's about 10 feet wide. Anywhere there's a cold joint, like this carport here, or down where the apron meets the street, there's expansion joint material placed. Here's a shot going down from the carport down the driveway, and as you see, there was very minimal damage done to the grass and surrounding areas. So again, this is James of Phoenix. Visit us at northernvirginiacontractor.com or call 703-278-2784 and we can put a driveway quote together for you on your project. Thank you and have a good day.